Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can prevent Instagram from saving photos to your device that you want to post. So open up Instagram and select your profile. So go to your profile page on the bottom right corner, go to the three lines on the top right corner and go to settings. You are then going to go to account by pressing the account tab right here. And then as you can see, there is this original photos tab, so select that. And as you can see, it says save original photos, automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram Speed Camera to your camera roll. So I'm just going to turn that off. And then whenever you post on Instagram, it won't be saved again, I guess, to your phone. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!